So we are back in my favourite woodland area. Today we've got the AVATA with us, so we're going to test this up and down, see what the quality looks like. Everything's happening a little bit faster than with the Neo, and obviously I'm being really careful-ish. It'll be interesting to see how the footage light looks. It's not as bright today, there's a little bit of cloud and also lots of shade. So good test for the camera. Yeah, it feels much quicker in the trees. So when I was flying it out in the open, it felt fast. You could definitely tell it was going quicker, but here it feels way faster. Obviously the obstacles are coming at you way faster. Oh, that was a bit too close to the tree. So we're like a 10-minute flight time now, and we're at 47% battery. So that's impressive. Obviously I'm not got it on full throttle and things, I'm just doing more slower flying. It seems fast to me, but I'm not pushing the battery to its limits. There's a lot of wind, but we're pretty sheltered in the trees here. Can flip with it. A little bit nervous with the trees. Whoa, that was the closest yet to a crash. I'm pushing my luck there with the flips. Okay, with that style of flying, that's now at 21% battery. We're at 14 minutes, 20 seconds in terms of the flight time. So that's battery life in the trees. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Let me know if you have any requests for things you want me to do. Let me know if you have any advice, if you're more ahead of the game than I am, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.